Dear God, although my visits to you may not be so timely, I may often talk the wrong thing when me know to do it rightly. Gossiping, backbiting, leak secrets where friends confide me. I pray for self-control so I can use my tongue wisely. The tongue is a mighty thing, and me not to take it lightly. It hold life and death, the power to define or defile me. So every time I'm out to use my mouth, I beg you to remind me to have some self-control so I can use my tongue wisely. Even when I think that girl they not like me, and I find out all the things she chat behind me, or the teacher when me think I fight me and always I try style me, help me kibba my mouth like Liza and use my tongue wisely. Jesus, I pray you have my back plus front and stay aside me. Always be near for care plus bless me and guide me. Instead of criticize, help me sympathize kindly and give me self-control to use my tongue wisely. Amen.